Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. It is one of the hottest debates in crypto, and this is not going to slow down. The question is, can XRP break free from the current bearish shackles and hopefully surge back past $2.50? The battle between resistance and momentum right now is starting to heat up, and the charts will always tell a story. And the one we see right now is that there's going to be struggle. There is some hope, but there's also some high stakes trading. And if you're an XRP holder, this is an episode you don't want to miss. But before I get started, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, just so you never miss any of the latest crypto updates within the trend, especially with XRP and SHIB. We've been making some good money day trading them, so I want to make sure you get the same opportunity. Now, XRP has been caught in a relentless tug of war right now. It's basically bouncing between critical support and resistance level. So right now it's basically battling in between 250 and it is struggling to gain momentum. And here, let's actually show you. So we got down to our previous support and we drew this support months ago, you guys. You can see that. This is what we use to day trade. And then we do use BTCC. I do have the link below right now. You are getting $10,000 as a deposit bonus if you use it to their advantage. You just have to meet their parameters. So definitely use the link below. There's even I think a $500 bonus for a $5,000 deposit. Again, just use those to your advantage. But we can see here, it basically has reached a support and it had a big bounce off of that support. And that is a 12% bounce in damn near under 21 hours, right? Which is a great amount of opportunity to make money in the market. Even when the market is going down, you can use an exchange to short the market, right? Even if you're a big XRP lover and you're a big long-term bag holder, stay that way. But then at the same time, you should be day trading it as an asset that you're consistently watching. But right now we are hovering above that $2.07 mark, and I am hoping we get right back up to the 250 because that was just a huge pivotal support point right here, and we can actually see the pendant that it made here, which caused the crash to occur. Now, news and fundamentals wise, we've got a couple of things to think about, right? XRP commentator named Eduardo Farina recently pointed out that how early investors are in the XRP market, especially during this downturn, right? XRP right now is priced at around $2.30, and it did drop, like we just saw on the chart, down to $2.07, which was a huge decline from its $2.50 earlier in the past day or two. Now, despite this price dip, Farina does reassure investors that there are early adopters that are going to benefit the most. And if you just own 2,505 XRP, that would actually place you in the top 10% of all XRP holders. And out of 6.19 million XRP wallets, you guys, only 619,000 of them hold 2,505 or more of token. Now, the majority of XRP investors still own fewer than 2,500 tokens, with over 5 million wallets containing 500 XRP or less. So think of it this way. If an XRP were to hit $1,000 per coin, I know a little outlandish, but a wallet with 2,500 tokens would be worth $2.505 million. So currently that would have been acquired at $5,460, which is just a huge big barrier for investors. I do understand that, but that's a huge price difference. And if we start analyzing some of the past trends, February has actually historically been a slow month for the market and XRP, while March tends to actually show bullish momentum. Let me break it down over the past couple of years. So XRP in 2023 January was up 20%, but then in February we were down 7%, and in March we were up 43%. Then we go to 2024. In January, we were down 18%. February, we were up a bit, 17%, but then in March is where we started a little bit of a rally, up another 7%. Then if you think of 2025, what just occurred in January, we were up 46%. We had a huge rally. It was a beautiful month. February, though, we were down 20% so far, and it's still not completed the month, so we might get down to 30 or 40%. Now, March, I'm hoping we see a higher breakout. And in the past years, the March has been that consistent gain. Let me just read you that again. 2021, 37% up in March. 2022 was roughly 4% up in March. Not crazy. 2023, we just set at 43%, and 2024 at 7%. So I'm hoping this month we get maybe a 50-60% up. If history does repeat itself, March would end up being a fantastic time for us XRP holders and traders. And there's multiple giants that are in the financial industry that are now applying for XRP ETFs, which has never happened as a catalyst before in the time we've been investing in XRP, right? We've got Grayscale, which is $1 billion giant hedge fund, and they filed for an XRP ETF. And the SEC has acknowledged the ETF applications from 21 Shares, Pro Shares, Rex Shares, Coin Shares, Wisdom Tree, Carne Capital, Memex Exchange, CBOE, BZX Exchange, Tuttle Capital, and even Bitwise. And the first to file for an XRP ETF, could they be the first to get approved is my first question. I hope Bitwise does get it. And this will be a game changer for XRP's future, right? You want to stay tuned for future developments. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to try to get you the news out as soon as we see it. Another thing you do need to think about, though, is you need to do your research. You need to understand Ripple's roadmaps and make sure that it fits your long-term investment strategy. You also want to set support and resistance alerts if you're going to be using trading platforms to day trade it, whether you're swing or day trading in. Another thing, too, you could diversify your portfolio, right? You never want to put all the assets in one basket. Hell, it doesn't hurt to diversify even your crypto portfolio. And then lastly, after all these hacks and craziness, make sure you secure your investment and always use a secure wallet and enable two-factor to protect your funds. Okay. And lastly, stay up to date within the markets, follow channels like this, and just make sure that you're seeing the videos first so that you are not behind anyone else. Okay. Now, XRP's journey is going to keep being a thrilling ride, and I love it. That's why I'm a big fan of XRP. I've been with it since 2017. I just didn't buy back then. Back then, I was just day trading it. I didn't really start heavily piling in until 2021. As of now, from everything that's occurred in the market, I have so much faith in it, and I'm going to continue day trading it. And if you are looking for a reliable exchange to day trade SHIB or swing trade SHIB, XRP, BTC over 300 pairs, check out the BTCC link below. Very, very simple platform to use. Very easy to use their margin. Like, you literally set your stop loss, you're good to go. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below where you think XRP is going to go. And lastly, just don't forget to like and subscribe if this video brought you any value. Let me know in the comments also, what other projects are you interested in looking? I'll research them and do some TA. Until next time, everybody, stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.